Okay, next one up, rather filthy KTM 1050 Adventure. This is one the KTM Center has just taken in trade. It was dropped off a couple of days ago. We're gonna do our best to get it all minted up, ready for the showroom. She looks like she's been on a few adventures over the years, so we got our work cut out for us with this. This is gonna get one of our full Monty valets. Oh, nice to see a well-lubed chain at least. We get all that muck and crap off of there, degreased, decontaminated. We'll get some XCP corrosion protection on it afterwards as well, just so whoever does buy it will have a properly protected, cleaned up adventure. So let's get cracking. This KTM is coming along nicely. Junior has washed it and prepped it for me, so I've got it now in the studio. We're going to give this chain a good soaking. It's pretty dry, so we use the XCP chain lube. I'll put that on first, give it a real good soaking with that, and then cosmetic reasons, we'll put a bit of the Silkline titanium dry lube on. That'll get that chain looking like new. And then we'll crack on with a bit of paint. He's got loads of bits that are rusty, side stand, nuts and bolts. We're going to torque them up a little bit, and then we'll get some XCP corrosion protection on it, get it looking like it should. This was a pretty rough, to be honest with you. It's quite a transformation even already. I'll rub down this subframe, get that all polished up, and then this will be ready to be collected. All right, seat is back on, subframe all polished. XCP, we're going to see if we can polish up these covers. This is a sticker, it might polish up. Fortunately, this is just molded plastic, that will not polish. The windscreen is quite heavily scratched up. We're going to do a bit of polish on that, see if we can get rid of a few of those scratches, and then this is done. There you go, 3 and a bit hours later, this KTM has been fully trotted. Oh my God, what a transformation on this. You've been following along, you've been watching what we do. Absolutely transformed it. All ready for the showroom now. Got a nice coating of XCP corrosion protection. I put the Ultimax Trim-X on all this bodywork, which is a ceramic protectant. It's got a few scratches on it, obviously been off-road, but all the main bits and pieces have all been cleaned, polished and protected. All that chain has been blow dried, re-lubed, all looking good. Exhaust all polished, plastics dressed, all the discs have been minted. Absolutely gleaming. Oh, look at this windscreen. It's got a couple of heavy marks on there which I can't get out, but the rest of it got all that hazing off. Got a nice bit of clarity back to it. 3 hours, 15 minutes. Get yours booked in now. 07966 249 963.